Great start today. PPSC Deputy Carter Paper Evening. The second anchor paper है, which is capital of USA, Washington DC. How many players are there in field hockey 11 in each team? Who is High Chief of National Highway? Kaleem Imam. Atoll is the name of a ring-shaped coral reef. Emperor of UK at the time of partition, King George. Motto of IOC in Latin. Series LTS something. National Highway Authority established in which year 1991. Speech without preparation is called as extempo. Number of roundtable conferences held in London 3. Where is Bari Imam located? Bari Imam is in Istanbul. Bashai Mosque located in Lahore. Most polluted river due to industrial West River Ravi. In this river is divided into two plains, upper and lower. Al-Hawi book was written by Abu Bakr al-Razi. Al-Qaeda formed in Peshawar, Pakistan. Most of the 75% of Pakistan, Punjab agriculture land is drained. By which system? Tube wells. Education expenditure into GDP 0.8%. Abbasi overthrown home rule, Umayyad dynasty. A person having a charming personality is known as a tolerable. Average of five numbers. There are given five numbers, and answer is, I guess, -3. Qasem Jom is president of which country? Kazakhstan. Gwadar celebrates as monument of Pakistan-China friendship. Second, synonym of taciturn, reserve. Antonym of obsolete, contemporary. With antonym of quiet is familiar. Synonym of bafflement, state of being confused. Antonym of extempore, prepared. Which animal is known as ship of desert? Camel. An empty cart stand upright. Sack. टोटल अमेंडमेंट इन 1970 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पाकिस्तान में अब तक 27 अमेंडमेंट्स हो चुकी हैं. यू एज वेल एज आर्ट एग्री एट द पॉइंट वर लार्जेस्ट oil producer in the world USA during April-June 2025 the imports of Pakistan showing percent increase as compared to January-March 2025 12.69. Abu Turab Abu Huraira is what as per Kuniyat Pakistan intended national deterrent contribution under the Paris Agreement. How much emission will be reduced by 2030? 50%. 25% of 120,000 is 30,000. Nanga Parbat is in Pakistan. Church Catholic headquarters in Vatican City. Who was present on Mountain Awam and Battle of Ohad? Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair. Theme of World Water Day in 2022, groundwater making the invisible visible. Which one is included in Five Eyes? Germany. Five Eyes are a joint intelligence group made of Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK, and US. Which affect blood pressure? 2 and 3 only return blood to cardiac and systolic pressure. Book Risala Isbab Bagawat Hind Syed Ahmad Khan. K2 is in Karakoram range. Zindi Pakistan purchased which fighter jet from China at Chetan Sea? In which year Bhogra Formula 1953. Boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan and names a Duran line. The Houthis are from which country? Yemen. Which is the largest continent of the world? Asia. The word trampoline originated from which language? Spanish. Largest city of Pakistan by population. Karachi. Which formula is used to round of digit in MS Excel? Round. Which tab contains page border and shading in MS Word design? Which is the shortest distance between 2 points? Displacement. Electromagnetic spectrum visible for human eye in wavelength range is C80 to 750. Which leader resigned from Imperial Lajalist Councillor due to Rowlatt Act? Qaid which party was agreed on joint Governor General Congress 60 state is formed by metamorphosis of mudstone shale. Next is a question, maths question. Same case with 62 and 3. Which leader agreed to the proposal Muslim together ruled by cabinet mission? Qaid-e-Azam Abu Turab और अबू लहाब. ग्रामर की रूसी क्या है? कुनियत. शाह वली अल्लाह के नज़दीक कुरान के असासी इल्म कितने हैं? 5. बैतुल मक़दस की तामीर किसने मुकम्मल की? हज़रत सुलेमान अलैहिस्सलाम. किबला कब तब्दील हुआ? 2 हिजरी. हज़रत उमर ने किस ग़ज़वा में अपना निस्फ़ माल पेश किया? ग़ज़वा तबूक. कौन सा लफ्ज़ मुअन्नस है? शाम. Next is maths question as well. Same case with next. If true to make a quarrel takes, I guess me. Pay lip service mean give only verbal support. Asan said don't forget to water the plants. Change to interact. Asan reminded him not to forget watering the plants. Where are the books we had bought together? Next mayor election of UK will held in 2028. Which Muslim country's atomic power? Pakistan, which is used to access email from server IMAP. अहद में नबी करीम ने तीरंदाजों के दस्ते के सरबराह पर किसको मुकर्रर फरमाया? हज़रत अब्दुल्लाह बिन जुबैर। साबका की तारीफ वो हर हरूफ का मजमूआ जो किसी लफ्ज़ के आगाज़ में लगकर उसके मानी में तब्दीली या इजाफा करे। मुसाफिर को कैसे लौटना पड़ा? बे नीलो मराम। गोलर का फूल खिलना, इसका मतलब है अनहोनी बात करना। मिनाए लाजवर्द, आसमान ग्रामर की रूप से किनाया। शेर में एक जैसे अल्फाज चुन के मानी मुख्तलिफ हों। सुन्नत तजनीस। लाग लगना, मुहावरे का मतलब है इश्क होना। आप आ जाना मतलब है चमक आ जाना। अकेला बामानी लफ्ज़ क्या कहलाता है? कलमा। ज़्यादा ज़ईफ़ रावी अगर कम ज़ईफ़ रावी की मुखालफत करे तो क्या कहलाता है? मुनकर। प्रॉक्सी सर्विस यूज to hide IP and cache content. People think that Ali investment and his share are useless, but he is laughing all the way to bed. In PowerPoint, one mouse click option can be used by transition one mouse click Amara. Dali, Surrealism, Break, Cubism. Who invented the practical machine typewriter share? Cotton is which type of crop? Cash crop. The second Belgium warship PNS Schiphol was launched during a ceremony attended by which leader? Ambassador Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Theory of relativity given by Albert Einstein. Kiev is the capital of